Okay, this is one of the typical kind of soils in Altamira. This is a typical alluvial soil in which we find rocks, a lot of rocks, rounded edge rock and covered with lime. Remember, we are in the heart of the alluvial cone of the Tunujan River. So almost 2 million of years ago, the river was here, dragging all these rocks. Normally, in this kind of soils, we find two layers. The topsoil with very fine material, mainly sand, some silt, and just 3 or 4% of clay. But that clay goes to the surface of the rock to keep the humidity. So we always have this fine layer of humidity on the rocks. And the fine roots always are looking for that. So the roots are surrounding the rock to take the water. And by doing that, they find the lime and they take the mineral. You know, the calcareum is almost impossible to dilute in water, but when the root is here, the breathing of the root releases CO2. The CO2 in the water has a reaction, a chemical reaction with the lime, and allows the vine to take the lime. So this mineral is pumped up to the vine. That's why the wine here is a mineral wine. So we always have this. The acidity will depend on the climate. We have a very cool climate here, so we will expect high acidity wines or balanced acidity wines. And this structure, with that acidity, the tannin here gives the wine a very good structure because the tannin reacts with this mineral. So when we make wine from different kind of soils without lime and with lime, the structure is different. We find more structure in this kind of soils.